Hey friends, welcome back to Mimi's Mixed Bag. If this is your first video of mine, I want to welcome you. And if you've never been here before, the last day or two of every month, I always kind of collect up my thrifted items and share with you what I found. Now, before the pandemic hit, I had a local Goodwill outlet near me, and that's where I just pretty much did all my thrifting. I just didn't go into the regular store that much. I would dig through the bins and find things for like 50 cents and found some great items. Well, since 2020, they have closed that store of mine, and I've had to go across town to the nearest one. So I actually did that this month. I went a couple times because I really missed digging through the bins and just, it was honestly just thrill of the hunt to see what kind of goodies you can find for yard sale prices. Now, what I'm going to share with you here, like from here over, is from the bins. And this is what I found. All this stuff was about 50 cents to $1 a piece. Now, the first thing I found was this little turnabout, little pencil organizer or desk organizer. It's from the General Store collection, and I looked that up, and that is a brand from Home Goods. So this was probably every bit of $10 or $15, and I got it for maybe $1. The next thing was appeared to be a brand new necklace from Lucky Feather brand, and I looked it up, and it's about a $10 necklace, and just thought it was so cute with the little sideways cross. Very trendy. I'll definitely wear that. I thought this was so cute, this little brass bell. I can spray paint it red, put some Christmas ribbon on it. I can do all sorts of things with that, or just leave it as is. I mean, I love the look of it, and can just put some holiday, Christmas ribbon or something on it to display it on a shelf or somewhere. I actually remember this from like last year's fall Walmart collection, and thought it was so cute, just never did buy it. It was originally like $6, and I picked it up for like 50 cents. Just thought it was so cute to sit somewhere for this fall. Now, this is not Dollar Tree flowers, but I'll definitely use in a crafting project. And they were originally $3.99. So I don't know, this could be Hobby Lobby or somewhere. I don't recognize the tag. Definitely worth 50 cents to add to my stash. Anytime I come across little wooden ornaments, I usually pick them up. Not only will they go with my Christmas rustic decor, but this is something you can always paint and make new all over again. I can cut the string, paint them red, white, and blue, put them on tiered trays. There's just a variety of things I can do. So I just love to find little wooden shapes. This little bag of ornaments, I could put these on a wreath or do something with them. I just thought they were cute color, and for 50 cents, it was worth it. And then a yard of little pink plaid fabric that I'll definitely craft with. Now, these items over here are what I found in my actual local Goodwill store. Like I said, I just don't hardly buy anything in those stores anymore. They are so overpriced, asking double for Dollar Tree things and stuff like that. But every once in a while, I'll come across stuff that is a good deal, and I'll buy it. For example, these are two Walmart holiday time, one for winter time and then one for Christmas. The graphics are adorable. These are normally only $1 anyway, and I did get them for about 59 cents each for their pot holders. Now, some of you may be familiar with Swan Creek candles. They've been around for many years. They're usually in like these real neat pottery containers. They're just wonderful candles. You can usually only get them like in boutiques and stuff like that. This scent is lavender lemongrass. I can tell that it's been lit. The neat thing about Swan Creek is you can actually go on their website and order a new wick and a tub of their scented wax and refill these really neat pottery containers. You're not really saving anything. The refill kit is about $16, and that's about what these candles are. Just a neat little idea if you ever come across these Swan candles. Paid 99 cents for this, probably because it had been lit, but totally worth 99 cents considering how much they normally are brand new. This was really a good deal. It appears to be brand new because it was still in the package, or maybe it's well taken care of. It's the Wilton Deluxe Tip Kit. If you're familiar with this, you know that there are over $20 at Walmart, and I don't do a lot of piping, and I have a lot of tips already, but I never had the complete set. So I'm really excited to have these to use for cookies and cupcakes and things like that. So this was a total steal for $1.99. So glad to have that. Now you can't go wrong with Tupperware. What this was is actually the shredded cheese keeper, and it's got the built-in little shredder, and then you just keep your shredded cheese in there. $1.99. I don't know if they still make this anymore, but this is a great thing to have in your refrigerator to keep shredded cheese in. I found another candle. I just took the lid off so you could see that this one has never been lit. I did pay $1.99 for this one only because it was brand new and it's a heritage candle. I knew heritage was like a fundraiser type candle. They're usually really good. This is another nearly $15 candle. This is a great way to get some higher end candles for a great price. I just picked this up for my granddaughter. This is dollar store quality, but it's a soccer ball, and she is a soccer fanatic, and this is a pencil holder and a picture frame. So I'll probably find a picture to put in there for her, but I'll take the plastic off and give it to her. But just thought this was cute for 99 cents for her to stick in her room. And sometimes you just never know what you're going to find. I found a brand new bottle of the dry shampoo that I use occasionally. It was $1.99. If you're familiar with this brand, you know that it's almost triple that. So this was a good deal for a couple dollars. So there you go, friends. Not a whole lot this month. I'm really trying to only buy things that I use or have seen before and wanted. I hope you enjoyed this little haul, and I'll be back in just a couple days with something really cute for spring. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.